Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on PSEC Prospect Capital. I call it PSEC, P-S-E-C. I did a video on this one back in, looks like January 21st. And it doesn't have the greatest ratings, but I'll show you why I like it. As you can see here over the year, it's had a pretty good year, up at 82%. REITs don't move that much, but this one does appreciate as well as a nice big fat juicy dividend. But the last time I talked about this one, let's see, almost 4 months ago. Another week, it'll be about 4 months ago. It was $6.18. Like I said, I talked about it on January 21st. But now it's $7.84. You can see what it's done here over the last year. Almost doubled. Just $1 shy, but here it hit $7.98, came down along with everything else. I think that's when everything went down the toilet on the 5th, and not too bad of a last month, and kind of took a dip here, so I think that's all the inflation talk, and who knows what else is going on, but it's had a pretty good week other than the last couple days. But if you're looking to get into it, I consider it a buying opportunity. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I haven't bought any more in this account. I've just been kind of sitting on this one. But as a whole, in a red market, well, a lot of my other stocks are red. The REITs, the banks, and stuff like that are looking pretty good. So, but back to Prospect Capital, I have 10 shares. $6.38. It's appreciated. Here's my dividends. Looks like I get one coming up on the 20th. So they pay 6 cents per month. So I have 10 shares, so 60 cents. So you can figure how much you'd need to buy a new share per month. They beat earnings, so not too bad. And here's just another look at the dividends. So it is a monthly payer, which is kind of nice. So basically just need to add another 0 on here, and I could about get another share per month. So 100 shares would get you about $6. Almost buy you another share, so you'd have to do that math in regards to how much it would take to get another one. I also have both of these. They're not too bad. I haven't looked at them, but they're in the green, so that's all that matters. I like a little appreciation on these, as well as the fat dividend. I do like to buy into them from time to time, but it is kind of nice to see some appreciation on them as well. Not the greatest ratings here on MSN. It's showing a sell. I would have to do some more research, or if you have any comments, you can put that in the comments in regards to if you know why this one's a sell or not the greatest ratings, but it's appreciated. It's went up a little bit over $1, almost $1.60 since I last talked about it. So, but they're a leading provider of flexible private debt and equity capital to sponsor-owned and non-sponsor middle-owned market companies in the United States and Canada. I got into this one a while back. I have more in a retirement account and just kind of let it sit there and collect the dividends. Sometimes I have it on drip. Sometimes I shut it off to deploy the money to other stocks. It just kind of depends. So, but I've been happy with this one. So this goes over their earnings snapshot. This is dated on the 10th. So they reported the third quarter net income of $246.4 million after reporting less than the same period a year earlier. The New York-based company set it at a profit of 64 cents per share. Earnings adjusted for investment gains came in at 19 cents per share. The business development company posted revenue of $159.5 million in the period, and shares hit $8.06, an increase of 98% in the last 12 months. So I consider that very good. So not only do you get that dividend plus some pretty decent appreciation on it. So this is just another look at the earnings on a different website, NASDAQ. So again, the third quarter end March 31st. And I'll just scroll through this one. If you'd like to pause the video and go over the rest of the information, it's basically the same information that we just went over, just on a different site. Over here to Reddit. Didn't find a whole lot of information on this one. Just doing an update and see who out there has this one, what your thoughts are on it. Would be interesting. Has some room to grow this week. Just upgraded to a buy by Zacks. That was 2 months ago, so something's possibly happened in the last 2 months. I don't know if it's inflation really, but it's up while we're supposedly talking about inflation, so we'll just have to wait and see on this one. But you can see the 52-week low, and to the high it has doubled, so just shy of 2 cents. Some numbers. I don't know what this stock is. Visalink. Raised by Wells Fargo to $6. So like I said, not the greatest ratings on this one. I like it. It's a cheap stock. It gives you a fat dividend. So I mean, you can't beat that. Plus a little bit of appreciation. New price target. The rug will be pulled. Interesting. And over here to tip rank. So, like I said, not the greatest ratings. Currently at 783, and this is showing a 23% downside of $6 high and a low of $6. So, I haven't heard anything on this one. I just researched a little bit. I mean, it's up. It's above my cost basis. So I'm going to continue to hold and collect the dividend. It's kind of nice. So if you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis and any other information you have on this one. That would be interesting to know. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would help out the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.